smoothest ride in the park.
Smoothest?
That's what they just said.
Nice. I do love how quiet it is.
Yeah. And I like how big the track is. So peaceful. You love this? Yeah. Yeah, it's a very, like, serene feeling. Just climbing up to our deck. The view's pretty good, yeah. Our first element is this big loop over there. See that? It's a little chilly up here. We'll drop some element, sure. Here we go, baby. It's windy up here. Let's freaking go, brother! Woo! Oh yeah! Nice! Woo! Oh, this is great! I love it! Yeah! Woo! Corkscrew! Whoa! Whee!
Nice.
Kick your feet!
Laser.
Whee! Whoa! Oh, it's so smooth! Wow! I loved it!
That was so out.
That was really, really good. That was really good. It's not like super like thrilling. It's just nice.
It's a nice
It's very
ride.
comfortable.
Nice ride.
That's like about 10 times better than Scream at Magic Mountain, I would say.
It's like the same.
It's the
Is there a blueprint?
Yeah, no, it's not a blueprint.
Oh yeah.